Dear parents and teachers, this is Child Psychology for Parents and Teachers, Part 3, Issues Faced by the Child who belong to the age group of 10 to 13 years. Before I proceed to the issues faced by the child who belong to this age group, I like to share some of the general psychology about this particular age group. The children who belong to this age group, sometimes they will act like child, sometimes they will act like adults, because this is the transition period. The signs of puberty we can find in this particular age group. Children who are in this age group, they love sports very much, and the brain has reached the maximum growth in this particular age. They show a lot of concerns about being liked or accepted by other people. Most children, they have strong command over language, and they are good in communication skill. Now I will explain the issues faced by the children who are in this age group. First one is gossiping. People, they love doing this. A simple story that may become a complicated story when it reaches more and more people. If they think others won't accept them, they won't join in any activity. Writing love letters. Even I have heard the kid who is in first standard writing love letter to his classmates. Bullying. Whether bullying is physical or verbal, if the child does not stop it, definitely it will lead to more aggressive antisocial behavior. Gang fights. Gang members, usually they have certain specific language for their gang, certain symbols and gestures unique to their gang. They show solidarity, and they feel so powerful when they are in the gang. Next one is peer issues. There are so many children, they are rejected by their peers. That becomes a big problem for some of the kids. Anger. Anger is a normal and useful emotion, but anger can become a problem if a child's angry behavior becomes out of control or aggressive. So people, they have to control their anger, very important. Anxiety leads to a lot of problems in the kids. For example, finding it hard to concentrate, not sleeping, not eating properly, quickly getting angry, constantly worrying about something, and mostly they will have a lot of negative feelings also. Physical abuse. When a child is physically and purposely injured by somebody, then it is considered to be a physical abuse. Some children, they beat others, they abuse others, and some people who are beaten up by others, they are being abused. Sexual child abuse is any sexual activity with a child, including exposure to child pornography. Emotional abuse. Mostly, children are emotionally abused by their peers. As a result, the child feels that he is rejected. People who belong to this particular age group, they are mainly affected by this body image concerns. They think that girls, they think that slim body is considered to be the best one. Boys have different image concerns. It is all because of the media, the influence of media. Next, feelings that cause discomfort. If the children have some kind of discomfort in their mind, they don't know how to express it. So it is expressed in different ways. You might have heard teachers telling in the parents' meeting, your child is capable of studying, but he is not studying. Something like that. Children isolate themselves. The reason is they feel that they are rejected by their friends. They will develop low self-esteem and their confidence level also will go down. Issues around sex. Children are very curious to know about their sex organs and their sex activities. So sex education is more important in this age. Exam phobia. The fear of exam, it starts before the exam. As a result, what happens? The performance of the child, it is getting reduced, or sometimes some children, they feel sick before the exam. Confused state of mind. It is very common in this particular age. Children, they are worried about so many things and they are confused. They try to take some decisions. They think a lot. Finally, they don't take any decision and their mind goes blank. Addiction to internet chatting. Most of the children, they spend 40 to 50 hours in a week in front of the screen. Really, it reduces their real life experiences, memory of lost friends, pets, and so many other things. When the school is changed, they think that they have lost their friends and they will be thinking about their friends in the new school. So we need to be so supportive to the children. And sometimes if they miss their pets, they feel a lot. These are the issues faced by the children who belong to the age group of 10 to 13 years. So we have other videos which will explain about how to help the children to overcome these issues and health and well-being education for this particular group of children. And of course we have other videos for the age group of 5 to 7 years, 7 to 10 years, 13 to 17 years. Watch them all. Thank you.